In today's video, we're going over two very different shots using the exact same club to the exact same pin. If you pull these off, you save a lot of strokes. Let's hit it. Okay, so here's our shot right here. From here to this flag right here, right there. And let's just pretend we're gonna go over the bunkers, okay? And we're gonna hit this shot. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 19, 23 yards, okay? 20 yards to the green. You get this shot all the time on the golf course. And could really wreak havoc on your game. So I've got my Vokey SM7 wedge. I'm going with the 60 degree. It's probably what you would use here. This one has 8 degrees of bounce, and it's the M as in Mr. Short game grind, okay? M grind. So on the M grind, just so you know, there's a little bit grinded off the back heel and some grinded off the toe, which is great, and just a slight grind off the back edge of the bounce. Okay, fantastic workable club. You can open this up, you can do a lot of things. You can lay it down and hit it off the toe if you want. Wide array of shots we can do with this. So let's get to what we're gonna pull off here today, okay? It's gonna save you a ton of strokes. Okay, so I like to play two different shots here. The first one is this really low shot using my 60 degree wedge, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up pretty neutral, pretty square, feet close together, ball in the center of my stance, and I'm gonna open up the club face, okay? I'm gonna open it up. Open that face, okay? Now, when you open the face, the club face is aiming way right. So it's gonna point here, watch. Okay, so when I open up the face, that's where my club is aiming, and I want to keep that as my swing path. I want to take that club back way inside, and I don't want to extend out toward where it's pointing. I want to rotate around my body like so. Square, everything's cool, open face. Gonna come way in here and way over here. Just rotate around your body. That's how you hit that low spinning check shot. Rotate around your body, right? It's a 60, open up the face, rotate around, not straight through, around. Open, rotate. Open the face there, rotate. That one went a little too high, need a little more rotation. You saw that? Just boom, one hop, boom, in a hole. Okay, I love this shot because I can be aggressive. I just made one, and I get a lot of spin, a lot of check, and I can control this shot really well, okay? So, it's a fantastic shot, even on these shorter ones where you have to carry something, and you can get pretty close to the hole. Okay, the second shot is the exact opposite of the first shot. I'm still using the exact same club, 60 degree M grind, 8 degrees bounce, Vokey SM7 lob wedge, okay? But this time the setup is very similar. Pretty much center of my stance. I'm gonna open the club face, okay? But instead of swinging on my club face line, I'm going the other way. I'm gonna open the face and swing this way. Make sense? So same setup. I opened the face last time. I went in here. This time I'm going down more on the club path line, like that. Down here. And I'm swinging more towards, there's another flag over here. This is very similar to a bunker shot, okay? And it's gonna go really high. Open the face. That far. key with this shot is make sure that bounce is coming through. You don't want to grind in with the leading edge, but when you open that face, you're utilizing the bounce of the club. That's key. Set up pretty square at the target, open face, swinging out here to in here. Not bad. Okay, so you be the judge. You let me know which of the two you prefer, which you think works better for you. For me, when the pin's back a little bit, I go low every time. If it's really tight, then I go high, but I prefer the lower spinning shot. That's just me. I hope this helps your game. Put in the work. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I love you guys. Peace out. We'll see you next time.